I'm with a 2004 Volvo S60. I'll be replacing this front wheel bearing. You see the tires kind of bald because there's a little play in there. So first thing I do is jack up and remove the wheel. Okay, now with the wheel removed, I'm going to remove this bolt here. Takes a 13 millimeter socket. And I'm going to remove the caliper and bracket assembly. Takes a this is a 15 millimeter socket. Okay, I got the brakes removed. I left it on the the rotor. Caliper on the rotor. It's not stressing the brake hose, so it's going to hold that there while I take these 4 bolts off for the wheel bearing. Okay, now to install the new wheel bearing, I've greased the mating surface here lightly with grease. I'm going to install the wheel bearing. It goes this long way. I'm going to hand tighten the bolts. I'm supposed to use new bolts. These are recently replaced, so I guess they're kind of new. So I'm going to use these and tighten them to 49 foot-pounds, and then turn them an additional 60 degrees. Okay, I just torqued the bolts to 60 foot-pounds of torque. So I get this on video for you. Show you where it's at. It's 60 foot-pounds. Cross pattern. Next, I use my dial indicator and torque them 60 degrees. An additional cross pattern, like 1, 2, 3, then 4. Okay, I got the bolts of my dial indicator. That you get them to, like, you set this on here, and you just rotate the your breaker bar, ratchet, or whatever you use, to 60 degrees, cross pattern. Now I'm going to install the CV axle and put this bolt in. Torque this one down to 27 foot-pounds, and then 90 degrees. And then torque it additional 90 degrees. Okay, I get it about 27. It's an analog torque wrench, so the digital probably more exact. Okay, here we're at 90 degrees. additional torque. So next I'm going to install the brakes and this bracket on the back of the spindle here. And those bolts take a 18mm socket. Okay, this is what the new hub is installed. I got the bolt holes lined up for when I put the wheel on. And then set the brake caliper by pressing the brakes to the nice and firm. So that's it. That's how you replace a front wheel hub bearing on a 2004 Volvo S60 all-wheel drive.